In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to easily get back Facebook Marketplace. So I'm just going to my Facebook app, and at the top menu, we can see the Marketplace is missing. All you have to need to get back Marketplace, just tap on your profile photo and tap on the settings icon. Under settings and privacy, scroll down, and under preferences section, tap on tab bar. Tap on customize the bar. In here, search for marketplace. So you can see the marketplace is under hidden section. So we have to unhide and pin the marketplace. Just tap on this hidden drop down next to marketplace. Tap on pin. And we can see the marketplace is now pinned. Now just close your Facebook app. Relaunch the Facebook app. And wait some moments. And then here we can see the marketplace is now showing. So this is how you can actually get back marketplace on Facebook.